Пушка-гонка!
Left side wing removed, one more to go. When I was saying that the front end is destroyed, just look at this. Huge holes, another hole, cracks, smashed, cracked everywhere and scratched. Another crack in here. Yeah, fully destroyed. It's not heavy actually, it's very lightweight. For those who don't know much about drifting, so this is 6 new tires just for one practice day. Look at this side wing.
Вот так.
So let's check how it's coming up. It is raining today and we have a tent up.
Сегодня мы построили домик. Что-то у нас происходит бардак.
Прогреваем. У машины прыщи.
And today we are installing the body kit.
Пирсинг сделали. Ну-ка.
Пирсинг готов.
We have the side skirt installed now.
Пирсинг готов. Сейчас будем делать вторую.
Only 4 fingers clearance. Heavy artillery is on now.
Артиллерия.
Hammer is our best friend. Alright guys, now is the time to show you the final look of the car. I really like it, hope you will like it as well. It took really long time to get it done, approximately 6-7 full days from the early morning till the late night. Here she is.
нас Настена фотограф.
Да.
Конечно, все не очень.
Of course, everything is not ideal, but from 1 or 3 meters it's perfect.
Вообще замечательно. Ни одного косячка не видно.
The 3-meter rule.
Я, короче, налюбоваться не могу. Настена запускает свой дрончик. Вот так вот.
So guys, the car had the must-have upgrades, and especially for the drift car, the style is really important.
Стиль — это важно.
Hope you enjoyed this episode and see you next time.
Goodbye.